sometimes you're going to have to improvise in auto body and get creative, you know. Well, we raided the cupboard in the house, so yeah, we got some parchment paper. So what I did, see if I can tear a piece of this bad boy off. All right. So what we did was not only upsetting the wife because she doesn't have any parchment paper and it's with us now, so she can't cook certain things. Well, anyway, we'll take this, and what I did was put it over the area where I need to put filler in. So when I want to put a profile in the fender, I'm going to put the fender up on here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take any type of body fill that you want. It could be the FiberTech that we used. And then what we do is we put it in here and we can backfill it into here. Now this thing is impervious to anything you tape or anything. So this time you really want to use the orange tape or green tape. If you use the yellow tape, you're wasting your time, and blue tape, don't even bother taking it off the roll. It's not going to stick to this stuff. But we've had fairly okay success with the orange tape, but you can't really yank on this stuff. It'll pull right out. But it's neat because you won't get any body work on here. It'll transfer onto here, but when you pull the fender off, it just comes right off. Same thing if you're doing a fiberglass repair. This stuff, nothing will stick to it. So it's really cool. Just something 101 redneck engineering, but it works here in the shop, and I want to show you how we kind of did it. So as you saw in a couple videos before and everything, we use this Evercoat FiberTech. It's really good stuff. I really like it to put a structure into something. I'm very impressed with this product. So that's the product we use, and I'm going to show you. I'm not going to show you the application of how we did it. It's very easy. So we have our parchment paper on here. I'm just going to kind of tape it up under the bed of the truck so it kind of holds. Now if you yank on it or anything, it's just going to pull, but because nothing sticks to parchment paper. But that's kind of what we did there. So I'm going to do this little section. I'm going to put the fender on here. I'm going to show you how we gapped it. So you can see here in the camera, that profile's real flat and nice. They're really not that clean when you buy a repop fender or even have an original one because the stamping kind of wrinkles. So now that we had the fender, we put the fender in over the parchment paper, and then we taped the parchment paper in. So this fender's already done, but what I'm trying to show you is the gap here. What you want to do is mix your body fill up. And what you do is after you're done mixing it, okay, you're going to push it into there. And you're going to push it in there. And you're going to squeeze it down in there, and what it does, it'll fill that void and give you a level that levels to this. It's really nice. That's called putting a profile in. We've done it on doors, body gaps, and stuff like that. It's the same principle where we've actually used tape to also be our guide to put the body fill in, and the tape feels right off the body fill. This is just really nice because I'll just extend it all the way down and put it in. So what it did was actually when you bolt this up, it tightens up all the way across, and if you look at it, it fits the body perfectly. So now when I put the gasket in, it's going to squeeze the gasket really nice. Okay, everybody, so that's what we use. Nothing special, something that works really well, and you can get it at a grocery store. But for us, it's a little redneck, but it works nice, and it puts a nice part into this. Okay. So I'm not in the camera view, but I'm going to show you laying this on here. What it did. But it worked. It only took me a million years to do that. It's kind of generic. At the store locally, your local grocery store will have it. Puts this, it just lays on top of the hood. Anyway,